Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Introverted Beauty. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to be doing something different. I have never done this on my channel before, but I'm super excited. I am going to be letting you guys know what my June's favorite products for my makeup, just strictly makeup, has been. And I didn't include any new makeup, so this is all oldies, but my tried and true, like the things I go to when I know like I just need to throw it on my face and get out the door. I know how it blends, I know how it sits on my face. So yes, before we get into the video, I did want to mention again, like I said, I want to mention again my 200 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be massive. You don't want to miss it. I am going to be giving out a $50 to $100 gift card. I haven't made up my mind yet. You'll just have to subscribe and enter to win to find out. But a $50 to $100 gift card Visa, so that you can use it, you know, for whatever you may need it for. Makeup, you know, savings, just whatever you may you know, choose to do with it amongst some beauty products. Since this is a beauty channel, I'm thinking I'm going to put some high-end products as well as some drugstore products, because I like a mix of both. So I'm going to give you guys a mix of both as well. So in order to be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed. So yeah, if you think that you would be interested in winning this massive giveaway, please subscribe, comment down below, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into my June's favorites, makeup items, oldie but goodies, tried and true. And just, yes, comment down below if you love any of these products, or if any of these are your holy grail products. But enough of me talking, let's just jump right into it. But I did want to say, I am not going to go into any particular order because stuff is just scattered over my vanity table. So I'm just going to grab it as I see it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. My tried and true holy grail June's favorite eyeshadow palette is this Morphe, let's see, 39S, such a gem. And as you can tell by the front, it is loved. It has been used and abused. And these are the colors. Yes, I love it. And actually, I am wearing this today. Most of the products I am going to mention in this video, I am actually wearing not all, but just majority. But in this palette, for this purple eye look that I achieved, let me take off my glasses so you can see. Just something simple. But for this eyeshadow look, I just used this dark purple. I used the dark pink. Oh, sorry. I used the dark purple, the dark pink, in this shade right here. Yes, just 3 shades. And this is how I achieved this look. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But yes, this is my June's favorite for my eyes. I literally grabbed this palette 90% of the month to complete my eyeshadow. Whether it was just one color, 3 colors, you know, a rainbow like pink and purple look, it has been this palette. Okay, so for foundation, I'm sorry, that sounded crazy. For foundation is this Believe Beauty foundation in the color Sable, and you can buy this at Dollar Tree. I am obsessed with this foundation. It's just so luxurious. It has a glass bottle, it has a pump so you won't get too much, and to me this gives me a higher end feel. It's just weighted. I just love this foundation. And like I said, for the eyeshadow, at least 90% of the time, this is what I am using. And if I'm not using this foundation, I don't have on foundation at all. I'm just doing like a basic eye look and gloss, and then I'm out the door. Okay, so for brows, just to stick with the Dollar General theme, I use this Broadway eyebrow pencil, and I love it. It has a spoolie on the end, And then the tip is not sharp now, but this is what I use. I'm not really sure the color because it's just so used that all of the writing has been wiped off, has been rubbed away. But this here is amazing. But let me just grab my other product. So what I do is I outline my brows. So I'll outline my brows. I'll fill them in just a bit, brush it out with the spoolie, and then I will go over that with the Wonder Brow. I don't know what this would be called, but like it's like gel, brow gel. That's what they call it, brow gel. So I will go over my brows just to set them in place so I know they won't kind of go away throughout the day. So this is what I use all the time for my brows. And this has been a combination I have used for years. But I had to include it in my June's favorites because, again, these have been my June's favorites. These are what I have been using. Okay, so let's just go into, let's see, contour, what I use to contour. I use this Juvias Place foundation stick in the shade Katsina, I believe. And I just get it darker than my skin complexion. And what I'll do is I'll just put a little line on and then I'll just blend that out. So I'll put this down first, blend it out really well, and then I will go on my bronzer. So for bronzers, my June favorites, because it's been two, has been this Fenty, I'm sorry, it's shiny, it's blinding you guys, but it's been this Fenty's Sunstalker bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. So this is what I would use to bronze up my skin. And if I'm not using the Fenty bronzer, I am using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi bronzer. And this is what it looks like. Okay, this one here has a little bit of like sparkle into it. So if I had to, like, my favorite would be the Fenty, but I love this bronzer as well. Just if like today I have them both on, so I have put on the Fenty first and then I dusted just a little bit of the Lumi over top of it, and this is how I achieved my bronzed look. Okay guys, so for highlight, just because I saw it popping while I was showing you guys my bronzer, I love, this has been what I have used literally all of the month of June. And this is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 karat Skin Frost palette. And I love it. I literally have only used the shade here, which is Dark Horse. I don't know, like I just feel like it fits me. I love the golden look. And it just fits my complexion to me better than any of the other ones. And I'm actually scared to use the shade Legendary or this like pure like yellow gold Libra Race. I'm not sure how they pronounce these, but I love this highlighting palette. It is amazing. It just looks so wet on the skin. Like, do you see that? Like, ugh, it's just so gorgeous. But guys, if I'm not using this palette, like today, like for example today, I did put down the Dark Horse shade from here, and then I just topped that off with this Juvias Place loose highlighter palette, just a tiny bit, because this thing here is pigmented. Like pigmented. So I put down a Dark Horse shade and then I just went over it with this Juvia's Place loose highlighter. And yes, this is how I achieved this glowy look. Let's see what else we have, guys. Oh, Eyeshadow Base. Sorry, I'm all over the place. This P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. This is what I use literally every single day before I lay down my eyeshadow color. But let me tell you guys a story, because I always have a story. I was in Morphe and I was going in to buy the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, and one of the ladies that worked there, like, she was like, oh my gosh, what do you use to prime your eyes? And I was like, you know, I just either use the Morphe primer, which I'm not obsessed with, or I just use concealer, preferably concealer. And she was like, oh no, you have to try this P. Louise base. So she color matched me, so she did Rumor 2. This is a smaller size. I'm not even sure. I think maybe 12, 14, or 16. I don't know. It's less than $20. And yes, every day I use it. It just makes a world of a difference. So yes, the P. Louise base has been a June's favorite. For concealer, I use the Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 40 Caramel, and this is what I use to brighten up my under eyes. You guys can't tell because I have on my glasses, but this is what I use to lighten up my under eyes. And if I just want a little bit brighter, so this is what I use today, but sometimes I'll mix in this Wet n Wild Photo Focus highlight concealer if I'm looking for like a in your face kind of highlight. But today all I used was the Maybelline what is this concealer. My June's favorites for powder has been this Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Creamy Beige, and this is what I use to set my foundation. And I know it looks light in the video, but it actually goes, it's a perfect match for me. And this is what I use to set my face, and to set my under eyes I use Coty Airspun. Very little because it can leave me a white cast on my face. But these are my June's Holy Grail for powders. Let's see what else we have. Oh, for lips, I have not been into lipstick a lot lately, so I'll just put like a bold color look on my eyes, whether green, today it's purple, pink, so I'll use like a colorful eye look. And then for my lips, I would use the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. This goes with everything. I just love the way it makes my lips look so juicy and so glossy. It's just like, it's the best. I actually really enjoy Fenty's products. I don't have much like of her complexion products, but eyeshadow, lip gloss, powder, yes, not powder, bronzer, I really enjoy. But I do want to try her what's it called, her foundations or her powders, because I do hear amazing things about it, and that is on my list. I will eventually pick that up. But next we have mascara. I don't know where my holy grail product is, which is the Urban Decay Pro Version eyeliner. Mascara. I'm not sure where I put it, but that stuff there, like, it is heaven in a bottle. I'm obsessed. But then the runner-up is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I do like the way both makes my my eyelashes dark and voluptuous and longer. They are like amazing products, and those I have been using for the entire month of June. I'm just looking around. I'm sorry if I keep looking away from the camera. I'm looking to see what other products may be on my favorites list. And we're pretty much down to the end. But for blush, I do love this Alamar Cosmetics blush trio. I use the middle shade, which is Oasis, and then the last shade, Candela. I've never used Deserted. It's just, the orange kind of terrifies me. But you have to be very careful with this. As you guys, most of you guys probably already have it, but it is so pigmented. It is so pigmented. But this is actually what I have on today. This is what I have on today, and I actually had to like blend it out, because when I initially put it on, I did look like a clown. I did. So yes, this is my holy grail. Like, this here, I'm obsessed with. And lastly, oh no, wait, not lastly, but I have two more categories to share with you guys. Let me see. For primer, I love this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, especially here in the Maryland area. It's been really like humid and hot, and this primer here literally grips my foundation to my skin, and it just makes, I don't get oily. I love it. This primer with the Believe Beauty, let me grab it. I don't know where I put it, but this primer with the foundation is just like, is everything to me. And lastly are my makeup setting sprays. Okay, so I love this Revolution Calming Makeup Fixing Spray. This Calming Fixing Spray, and this has cannabis sativa in it, and this stuff locks your makeup into place for hours. I'm obsessed with this. And then if I'm not using that spray, I am using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray Mist. This here is just a Jeffree Star. It came with his, you know, like his Morphe, the collab with Morphe. So this is what I'm using now. I did have the regular one, but it's empty, so it's trash. So I have just been using this one. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and like I said in the beginning of the video, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so that you can enter into this fabulous giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it, and until the next time, see you later. Bye.